That's what I'm on the edge of
Oh
my
yeah.
chair
Okay.
for.
So
Come on now.
yeah, I know. We're
I
like
still
on this
got my
journey, and
seatbelt
I'm
on.
like,
I haven't.
believe it or not, it
Yeah,
has
I
not
didn't
always
unbuckle
been
my
that.
seatbelt yet. Come on.
Okay. So
The EBFC show exists to serve people in the construction industry.
there's things here we can capture that could help other projects. And so a team of people kind of sat down and spent some time, digging in. What are those things that really made this project better? And what they came out of that meeting with are our 4 tenets, which are collaboration, continuous improvement, learning, and leadership development. And after that meeting, the leadership decided this is the direction we need to go. And that is when I got pulled in and I sat through one project onboarding, and I listened, and they talked through the tenets, and they talked through how this was going to change our company and what it looked like, and the things we focused on and the things that we highlighted. And I couldn't sit still. I mean, again, this was not tool focused. This was just culture and how we're going to be creating this environment that people are going to want to be a part of, and how we're going to care about the other people around us. And we were already doing a lot of these things, but it was very intentional. And I was in that room listening, just kind of sitting in the back watching, and it lit me on fire. And I'm like, I need to know what this is. I need to know more about this. And so started following, kind of, really digging in. And I mean, I pretty much said, I want to know everything. But in the meantime, there's also this construction thing that there's builders out there that are building things, and lean and the tools and the culture and how those go together. And so I asked 1,000 questions, and I bothered the crap out of anybody that would listen to me. And I read books, and I learned, and I took classes too, but they were willing to answer my questions and walk me through, different things. I mean, to the point to where through this process, I'd show up and they're like, okay, Jennifer, you're facilitating the stand up today. And I'm like, well, okay. I mean, I either do it, I either sit back and I talk about this crap, or I actually step in and I do it. And that's kind of how I got in it. And once I was in it, it was just okay, when do I jump next? When do I jump off? What's the next cliff that I have to jump off of? Because I was excited, and I knew it was going to change our industry and make it better.
Oh my God, Jennifer. So you didn't see it because you were so animated, but I had to unbuckle my seatbelt because I couldn't contain all my energy in my chair. And I was almost holding my breath, but then slowing down and expanding my breath because I'm excited too. That's incredible.